Hello fam, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Meli. The name of my channel is Meli Love Decor. Today we are going to be styling my formal living room for the Christmas 2025 season. Guys, as I've mentioned before, there are some things I've done off camera, the more tedious work. I'm trying not to move the camera to this side of the room because I've already decorated the tree and I've also decorated my credenza. So I'm trying to leave that at the end for more like a surprise. So you guys could see the whole room together and show you guys a more detailed view of the tree. So I kind of want to leave that to the end. So this is why I'm just showing this part of the room, what we're going to be styling together today. Again, I've done some stuff already. I've already added my two reindeers from Walmart. Those two reindeers have gone viral since 2 years ago, I think. I got them last year at Walmart. They were $99 for two. This year they actually went up. The price went up to $129, but I got mine since last year. So what I did was I have a sofa table behind the couch. So I just added them to the sofa table, added a beautiful garland that lights up. Also, those twinkling trees, those little set of trees, I also got them from Walmart this year. Absolutely love them. So I decided to put them also behind the couch and kind of have like a little reindeer forest behind the couch. Also on top of my mirror, not on top of the mirror, but on the mirror, I've added this wreath that I purchased from Kirkland. Last year, I got it during Halloween season and I only paid $10 for it. And I just kind of dressed it up with a beautiful garland that I picked up from Ross. And also I did this wreath. I did the bow myself. Again, guys, I'm going with the whole Mackenzie child look with the black and white checkered and the red and gold. So I just kind of like dressed up the garland just to make it look pretty. So I've already added that to the mirror. And then we are also going to be styling this little side table today. Everything has already been wiped down. I have these two lanterns that I placed on this side. I've already added my bows to it. We're also going to be styling that together. So guys, we're going to be styling the formal. And again, at the end, I will show you guys the other side that I've already done. I've already decorated the credenza and the tree. So I will kind of leave that to the end so you guys could see the whole room together. So it'll be like a surprise. Also, I did move one of my pictures on top and I added this wall art. Up here, it says, "Oh Holy Night." Also, it lights up. If I put batteries in it, the stars come on and it's absolutely beautiful. I did also add curtain lights to my window and those will be lit up at the end when you guys see the final view. Also, guys, as I've always mentioned, things may look a little bit different when I do the final home tour of the whole house for the Christmas season, because throughout the season, of course, I may decide to change some things around, but not everything. I may say, oh, this looks better on this side, and I move it. So maybe in the final home tour, you'll see a little change, but not a drastic change. For the most part, things will stay the same. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to put your notification bell on so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Also, guys, there is a new feature on YouTube called Hype. Please hype up the video and tell me how you like it. And leave me a comment if you have any questions. Please leave them below. Let's get decorating. Thanks, guys. guys, I love these little houses that I'm putting inside my cloche, my Z Gallery cloche. The only problem I don't have with things that light up, if they are not like, if they don't have a timer, it's hard to like every day turn them off and turn them back on. So from the time I put this on when I was doing the video, I never turned it off, and now the battery is completely dead. So I just don't like to buy things that are not like, doesn't have a timer. So I was thinking of maybe adding some twinkling lights or fairy lights inside the cloche. I may have to order some from Amazon. You guys can let me know what you think, if I should get some and put them in there. I'm thinking of doing that, so maybe I will, maybe I won't, I don't know. We'll see. But that's the only thing I don't like about buying things that are battery operated. I try to stay away from things that do not have a timer, because I'm not gonna remember to work around the house and turn on and turn off. You know, turn it on during the evening time and then turn it off during the day. I don't have the time for that. So if it doesn't have a timer, then typically I just don't put batteries in it, and I don't put it on. I picked up this drum set from I believe At Home, and I got this Nutcracker from Ross, and I actually painted it black. It came in Caucasian and I painted it black. And I got the finial from Home Goods. Guys, I absolutely love how everything turned out. I'm really happy with the color red. Last year I did all black and gold and white, and this year I wanted to add a pop of red, and I am so in love with the red. I think, you know, for the next year or so, you know, maybe next year I'm probably gonna end up doing the same thing, because I'm so in love with it. I love how it turned out. So you guys tell me what you think, how you like it. Leave me a comment. Tell me what was your favorite part, what you like in the room, what you think maybe I should change. You know, be nice and leave me some beautiful comments. You know, we're not trying to be mean on this side. We want to have positive energy. And so again, let me know what you guys think of how I did and how I decorated my formal living room. I absolutely love how it turned out. So guys, we have come to the end of the decorating with me of my formal living room. So I give you guys the final look of my formal living room for 2025.